These are 10 fascinating facts about Surah Al-Imran. This surah holds a special place in the Quran, addressing themes of faith, unity, and the importance of sincere devotion to Allah. It illuminates the principles of belief and the struggles faced by the early Muslim community. Its core message emphasizes trust in Allah and invites reflection on the shared values of humanity. Surah Al-Imran serves as a reminder of the divine promise of guidance and protection for those who are steadfast. Fact 1. The essence of faith. This refers to verse 3:2. Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of existence. In this profound declaration, the surah establishes the foundation of Islamic belief. It reassures the faithful of Allah's omnipotence and mercy. This understanding encourages a personal relationship with the Creator. Through faith, one finds strength in times of trial. It is a call to submit wholeheartedly to Allah's will. Fact 2. The call to unity. Surah Al-Imran emphasizes the significance of unity among believers. It encourages the Ummah to stand together, overcoming differences. This unity is foundational in establishing a strong community of faith. It reminds us that together, we embody the strength of our collective belief. Each individual plays a critical role in this divine mission. Fact 3. The warning against hypocrisy. The surah addresses the danger of hypocrisy within the Muslim community. Believers are urged to verify their intentions in all actions. This self-reflection can align their hearts with the purpose of faith. Honesty in belief empowers the individual and community alike. Fact 4. The story of Mary and Jesus. This refers to verse 342. And mention when the angels said, "O Mary, indeed Allah gives you good tidings of a word from Him, whose name will be the Messiah, Jesus." The narrative of Mary and Jesus highlights the miraculous possibilities through divine will. It serves as a reminder of pure faith, demonstrated by Mary's submission. This story inspires believers to trust in Allah's plan, no matter the odds. Fact 5. The importance of patience. Surah Al-Imran beautifully illustrates the virtue of patience. Believers are reminded to remain steadfast amidst adversity. Patience fosters resilience, allowing individuals to emerge stronger. It is through these trials that one's faith can deepen profoundly. Fact 6. A divine warning. The surah warns against the consequences of disbelief and arrogance. It invites self-reflection on one's actions and intentions. Understanding these warnings encourages believers to return to faith with sincerity. Each moment provides a chance for repentance and growth. Fact 7. The promise of reward. This refers to verse 317. Who are the patient, the true, and the obedient? Allah's promise of reward for steadfastness offers hope and motivation. It assures believers that their efforts will not go unnoticed. This divine promise reinforces the beauty of commitment to faith. Every challenge faced can lead to greater spiritual elevation. Fact 8. The power of prayer. Surah Al-Imran underscores the significance of prayer as a means to connect with Allah. It symbolizes expressing one's deepest concerns and gratitude. Prayer offers solace and guidance during uncertain times. The act itself can be a source of immense strength for the soul. Fact 9. The role of leadership. The surah speaks to the qualities of effective leadership within the Muslim community. Leadership guided by faith promotes justice and unity among followers. It encourages leaders to act with wisdom, empathy, and integrity. Such guidance nurtures an environment of mutual respect and love. Fact 10. The Journey of the Soul. Surah Al-Imran depicts life as a journey leading towards spiritual fulfillment. It emphasizes that every trial is an opportunity for growth and closeness to Allah. The experiences faced by believers serve as lessons rooted in faith. Thus, every moment becomes a chance to glorify Allah and seek His pleasure. Reflecting on Surah Al-Imran, one finds a tapestry woven with threads of faith, unity, and resilience. Its teachings resonate across time, urging both Muslims and non-Muslims to engage in sincere self-examination. The surah's messages transcend mere comprehension, inspiring a deeper spiritual connection with Allah. As Ibn Kathir articulated, faith and patience intertwine, guiding us towards fulfillment in this life and the next. Embracing its lessons can lead to transformative change, fostering a community built on trust and mutual support. Ultimately, Surah Al-Imran invites each of us to reflect, aspire, and unite in our shared human experience.